Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to leverage or how you can turn viral posts to a viral content in your niche on TikTok in order to go viral without any stress. Let me give you the tips. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. After you open up your TikTok app, go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. So click on your profile icon. Having click on your profile icon, next thing you want to do here is to simply go ahead and make sure you click on three slider from the top right here. Then go ahead and click on TikTok Studio. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on trending post right here. So I'm going to click on trending post. Then here you go. You can scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on get more inspiration. Just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see trending posts in this particular niche. However, if this is not related to your niche, you can simply come to the top right here, click on this particular icon right here. Under the technology and education, you have different niche right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different niche right here. However, from these options here, you can simply choose your niche. If your niche has to do with entertainment, just go ahead and click on here, and in a few seconds, you see trending posts in entertainment niche across the globe. Just like what you see right here. You can see this one here has about 2 million views, 3 million views, 2.8 million views. The more you scroll down, the more you see different kind of entertainment posts right here. Now, one thing we want to do here, we can narrow down based on different regions as the case may be. So for that, go ahead and click on all regions right here. Having clicked on all regions, we can decide to target United States, Japan, UK, or any of the country right here. Let's say, for instance, we want to target Canada under the entertainment trending post. Select Canada, and then in a few seconds, it's going to give you a kind of result based on the entertainment trending right now in Canada. The more you scroll down, the more you see. You can see millions of views right here, just like so. Now, from all of the results right here, you can simply leverage on the best performance one. Like for instance, this one here has about 1.7 million views. So I'm going to go ahead, simply click on the video link. Click on the video link, then here you go. So you can see this is a part 41, the kind in a cruel world, or just like what you see right here. Now you can see this particular post here has about 9,000 plus comments with over 160 something thousand save, 135,000 share, 1.7 million like. Now you can go ahead and simply check on the profile of this particular creator right here, just like so. So click on their profile, so you can see their general likes here is 21 million.2, and they have about 141,000 followers. You can check on their profile, see how they edit, what they produce, what they post on TikTok, and you can leverage from this to create a viral post from your own account and skyrocket the account in a few minutes. And one great thing here is that some of these few right here are coming from Canada, so you can use this method to target a different kind of country as the case may be, and create something similar that can skyrocket your TikTok profile. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how to grow successfully on TikTok, consider